In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping methods in Ecwid, a comprehensive 2025 guide designed for all the e-commerce enthusiasts out there looking to streamline their shipping processes. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced Ecwid user, these steps will help ensure that your shipping methods are tailored to your business needs and your customers' expectations. Let's start by heading over to the Ecwid control panel. This is your primary hub where you manage all aspects of your online store, from adding products to setting up promotional campaigns. Navigating to the control panel is simple. Sign into your Ecwid account and you should be taken directly to the central dashboard. It's your go-to place whenever you want to oversee your store operations. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Shipping and Pickup section. This tab is specifically dedicated to managing how your products will reach your customers. Here, you can view existing shipping options you've set up, make necessary adjustments, or create brand new shipping methods altogether. The clear layout and intuitive options make it a breeze to navigate through, even if you're still finding the ropes around Ecwid. Now it's time to add a new shipping or delivery method. When you click to add a new method, you'll see a variety of options ranging from local pickups for nearby customers to international courier services for those further afield. You will need to choose the types of shipping solutions that work best for your business model. Are you catering to local customers primarily, or do you have a more global audience? Knowing this will help you set suitable shipping options. When setting up a new shipping method, it's important to enter all crucial details such as shipping rates, estimated delivery times, and any geographical restrictions. These details ensure that your customers have all necessary information before making their purchase, preventing any surprises after checking out. Consistency and clarity are key when configuring these settings, as they directly influence customer satisfaction and trust. If you're using specific carriers like UPS, FedEx, or other local services, you'll need to integrate their services with your store. This process usually involves linking your carrier account to your Ecwid store, after which you can select the appropriate services from their offerings. Utilizing these integrations automates the calculation of shipping costs based on real-time rates, which enables a seamless transaction for your customers. Lastly, double-check all of your settings to make sure everything is accurate and reflects the services you intend to offer. Ensure that the shipping methods align with what you've advertised on your storefront and that all conditions are clearly stated. Once you've confirmed these details, you can sit back, relax, and watch as your shipping processes operate smoothly behind the scenes. By setting up your Ecwid shipping methods like this, you're not only enhancing your store's functionality, but also boosting your customers' overall shopping experience.